Alright guys, this is Mike with Car Fix Auto, and you guys know this is a Dodge Spark. Nissan. Oops. Sorry. And not a Spark, a Kick. And it can't get ready for the monitors because it's having these codes. This one right here is what's triggering. We got to go through a checklist. So I have to go through a flow chart, which a lot of this was already done before I started to do my video. But this is where we're at right now. Okay, so we check the CAN system, and it tells you how to check it. We can do it with the scanner. As you see here. But I can't clear anything into the batteries at 100%. It's almost there. We checked the grounds. We checked all the fuses, relay. We went inside, checked all of that. Checked the ground straps. Checked the ground going to the engine. Checked the ABS modular connection. Let me turn the light on. Supposedly this was changed, the speed sensor was changed down, and I'm wondering if that caused the fault. If there's a short somewhere in that speed sensor, because they even checked the wiring. As you can see, nothing broken, nothing brittle, as we're expecting. Others with this type of model checked everything else. Do safety inspection while we're at it. Excuse me. But things I found disconnected was the high beam, and then underneath this is a lever right here, which engages the transmission into whatever gear, and it keeps bringing up the code, lost communication, ECM. ECM is right here, so we gotta check the pins before anything. CCM is right here, and then ABS modular is right there. ABS modular can't speak, will not set the monitors for me to use the evap system, because some apparent reason they threw one of these lines connected to the evap, and I'm not getting any power or any communication to it. Anyway, this is Mike with Car Fix Auto with this Nissan. It's not the Spark. Is it a Spark? It's a Nissan Kicks.